iPhone users, this iPhone tip is literally going to save your life and that of anyone around you that uses an iPhone, using the health application and the emergency SOS. But Rick is going to show us. Do you want to do this, Rick?
My pleasure. Okay, open the health application on your mobile phone, hit your picture and go to the medical ID. In here, make sure that you input every necessary information that you need. And then also fill in the emergency contacts. When you're done, go to your settings and also open emergency SOS. And over here, turn on the call with 5 presses and also turn off the countdown sound. Okay, so for the first scenario, if you find somebody that has been involved in an accident and they have an iPhone, all you have to do is to pick up their iPhone and press the power button and the volume down key. This is going to give you this interface, and if you swipe the medical ID, you're going to see every medical information about the person, their blood group, and also their emergency contact that you can reach out to. The second scenario, if you find yourself in a dicey situation, it can be an armed robbery, kidnapping or anything, all you have to do is to press the power button on your iPhone 5 times, and it's going to start the emergency SOS. Once this ends, it's going to send a message with your location as well to anybody that you've listed in your emergency contacts, and it's also going to call any security service that is currently available. Okay, check this out. Don't you hate it when a friend will actually see one thing on your mobile phone device, say check a post out on Instagram, only for you to turn around and find them snooping around in your photos? That's so annoying. If you're an iPhone user, let me show you how to prevent this. All you have to do is to go into your settings, go to accessibility, scroll up to the general option and find guided access. Turn this on. Also go to the password settings and turn on Face ID. Before you hand over your phone to your friend, press the power button 3 times and choose the guided access. Hit start at the top, put in your password, and just like that, your friend won't be able to leave the application without having to put in your password. And if you're that kind of friend that's always doing that, continue. One day you're going to see something you don't want to see. This is an iPhone trick I'm definitely sure you haven't tried before. Whilst on a phone call, you need to attend to something. How do you put the call on hold? I'm sure you probably haven't even realized there's no hold button on the call interface. Right? You want to check? Go check. But you can still do this. To do this, press and hold on the mute button. You're welcome.
iPhone users, this is how to prevent a thief from stealing your iPhone easily. The first thing they do when they take your iPhone is to put on the airplane mode, so you are unable to track it with my Find My. In this video, we're about to show you how to solve that problem. I'm not going to be the one to do it. Rick will help us. Hey Rick, you want to come?
Yeah, of course. Can I borrow your phone for this? Okay, so anytime someone picks up your phone and has no intentions to return it, that is a thief, the first thing that they're going to do is to bring down your control center, and from here, they can easily put your phone on airplane mode. What this means is that you can't track your phone using Find My. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent that. The first thing you have to do is to go to your settings, find Face ID and passcode, and from here, scroll up and turn off access to control center. Once you turn this off, check this out. If they turn on your phone and they try and access your control center, it's not going to work. So this is going to give you all the time you need to track your stolen iPhone. Apple Watch users, how old were you when you found out you can actually connect your Apple Watch to a PC using the secret port that is found on the Apple Watch? Do you know where it's located? All you have to do is to pull out the strap, and using a pin or anything very small, you can pull this part out, then you expose the ports, and you can see the connecting ports inside the strap holder. These pins can actually vary depending on the particular Apple Watch that you're using, and with this you can connect it using a little device known as the iBus together with your lightning cable. Now you can connect your Apple Watch to your PC in case you need to do any factory reset or any sort. Share this with any Apple Watch user if you found this useful. This is how to take videos on your iPhone whilst playing music at the same time. iPhone tricks you should be using. To do this, go to your music player, that is Apple Music for me, start playing your song, then go out, open your camera application. Whilst on the photo tab, tap and hold, drag to the right and lock. And just like that, you're recording a video while still having the audio in the video. That is cool. iPhone users, how old were you when you found out anytime you take a screenshot you can do this? So anytime you take a screenshot, you can annotate your screenshots like this. For instance, I want to highlight the S browser. All I can do is to do this and hold, and it's actually going to draw a perfect square on it, or circle. Or anytime you want to use an arrow, you can do the same thing and hold, and it's also going to draw a perfect arrow on it. You can actually make your screenshots look way cooler. Okay, so are you one of those people that enjoy rainy days because of that nice soothing sound that the rain comes with? Raindrops are really nice and it's really soothing to the ears, and it makes sleeping very relaxing. If you're an iPhone user, there's a way to get this on your iPhone, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that. All you have to do is to go to your settings, find accessibility, then look for audio visuals, tap background sound. And at this point, you can turn on background sound. When you do, you get some options to choose from. That is stream, rain, ocean, dark noise, and some other nice tunes. So if you want to go to bed at night, you can actually turn on your iPhone and turn on some of these white noises to help you relax and fall asleep easily. Send this video to any iPhone user that you think might find this useful. This is an iPhone trick you should be using. For instance, if you're somebody that likes to listen to music when you're going to bed, but you don't want your music to be playing throughout the night, this is what to do. Open your music player application, in my case, Apple Music, select the song or the playlist that you want to play. I'll go with the Cools playlist. Then open your clock application, go to set a timer, choose how long you want your music to be playing for, let's say 1 hour. And go to this portion which says when the timer ends. Scroll up and choose stop music. Then you set. Once this is set, your music is going to stop when the timer ends, which is really, really cool. iPhone users, are you one of those people that find yourself using your iPhone very late at night when all the lights are off, but you have your iPhone on and you try to reduce the brightness all the way down, and even at the minimum point, it's still kind of bright? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the brightness of your iPhone to the barest minimum so you can keep using your iPhone in the darkest scenario possible. To set this up, all you have to do is to go into your settings, go to accessibility, then find display and text size. Whilst here, scroll up and find reduce white point. When you turn this on, you get the ability to reduce the brightness of the white point on your iPhone to the barest minimum. So that means if you find yourself in the dark using your iPhone is not going to be blinding again. Share this video with somebody that you think might find this useful. Follow me if you aren't already. Stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.
Okay, so follow him for more tech tips and trips. Say the tongue twister. So stay liquid, and we'll see you in the next video.